Well, I have been associated with Colgate before, and whoever has ever followed my career in any which way know that I associate myself with very, very few products. Like I said up here earlier, I've been a Colgate household for as long as I can remember. And if there is a name that I trust, I don't think any of us really need to be introduced to Colgate ever because it's a household name in our country. I think it's fantastic. It's a name that you also trust when they do have breakthroughs, when they do have innovations. There are innovations constantly and breakthroughs constantly in the field of medicine and medical technology and science. So why not dentistry? And I think one of the pioneers of this has always been Colgate. So as a mom, as a wife, the health of my family is my utmost, of importance to me. And I think dentistry is one part that we overlook quite a bit. We've all discussed today that we are constantly battling cavities and root canals and things like that, but it's so overlooked, and it's also one of the most expensive medical procedures that you can go through. No, so I would much rather have prevention rather than cure, and so it's fantastic to really be able to associate with a product like this.
फिलहाल thank God अभी तक मैं किसी डेंटिस्ट के पास कैविटी के लिए नहीं गई हूँ, कैविटी केयर के लिए नहीं गई हूँ, बट ऑफ कोर्स फ्रॉम द टाइम आप संजय माइकल जी जो हमारे साथ हैं यहाँ पे, everybody knows him. We've had he's been part of the Miss India training program for us for many years.
Yeah.
And for us, our dentists, for me, I know that my dentist who I go to is really, somebody that I treasure in my life. Also because I want to have the most pain-free treatment possible. Doc, if I can say so, that for me personally, I always feel every 6 months is great to do a checkup.
Yeah.
And I've already taken my 2-year-old daughter to a dentist just to make sure that all her milk teeth and everything are fine. But it starts at that age. So, yeah, she's already been. That was very difficult keeping her in the dentist chair, I have to say. But it starts at that age.
बच्चे लोग को कैविटी होती है, ग्रैंड मदर को भी कैविटी होती है. कैविटी होने का कारण एक ही है कि फूड पार्टिकल्स जो दांत के ऊपर रहते हैं उसके शुगर एसिड होती है, कैविटी होती है. जब आप ओल्ड हो जाते, जब एज हो जाता है तो मसूड़े नीचे जाते हैं. मसूड़े नीचे जाने की वजह से फूड पार्टिकल्स रह जाते हैं और वहां हम रूट कैरीज, जैसे डॉक्टर शानबाग ने जब डॉक्टर पोतनी से जब बताया कि रूट कैरीज हो जाते हैं, तो बच्चे लोग को कैविटी दांत के ऊपर होते हैं और बूढ़े लोगों को कैविटी रूट कैरीज जैसे बोलते हैं वहां होते हैं. तो कैविटी फॉर्मेशन सबके लिए है, फ्रॉम पीडियाट्रिक टू जीरियाट्रिक. एंड एक बार कैविटी होगी तो फिलिंग करना, डैमेज, एक बार इनेमल गया तो गया जिंदगी भर के लिए, तो उसको प्रिवेंट करना बहुत जरूरी है.
I definitely use the brand, and at times when I'm traveling, my husband refuses to use anything else, so I am on a hunt for Colgate no matter which country that I go to. And this is irrevocably, whether I'm here for this product launch or not, this is the irrevocable truth, and I truly, genuinely believe in the brand Colgate. That doesn't sound very good at all. You just made me feel even more guilty about having that bagel than I did this morning. But Doc, I want to ask you, so this is pretty serious because my husband, being an athlete, obviously has a really strict eating and exercise regime. But he's quite a bit of a sweet tooth. So he loves his donuts and his chocolate cake, and I know already what you're going to say to me. I can see it. I know exactly what you're saying, Doc. So as a mom now, I've tried to keep my daughter away from sugar for as long as possible.
How old is she?
But she's 2 years, 4 months now. She started going to birthday parties. And like all kids, she goes straight for the birthday cake and the chocolates and the candies. And it's becoming increasingly difficult keeping her from them. There has to be healthy foods that we eat every day as well, right? That combat, so Doc, that combats, no, that doesn't combat, dalia and rotis, and you heard it already on stage, and I pretty much grew up as a Colgate household. I think we used Colgate right through from the time I was a child, and I've been brushing my teeth. And, I'm inculcating the habit in my daughter to brush twice a day. She brushes in the morning, she brushes before. There's these kind of sugar acids in the mouth, Doc. What can you do then?
Okay.
As a mom, I know, right from the start, from the time your child actually starts developing even her milk teeth, cavities just becomes one of the biggest banes of your life because you're constantly trying to fight this battle.
Yes.
So by the looks of it, there's no food that's going to actually prevent them from forming.
Yeah.
So what is it?
Yeah.
So if that kind of a major breakthrough has to happen, Doc, in the dental world,
Yes.
I mean, this takes care of a hell of a lot, not just for mothers, but for basically the health of your family, your own oral hygiene.
You can